Today we have a lot of animals, some farm animals and some wild animals. The first one is a frog. This is a frog. The next animal is leopard. This is leopard. The next one is lion. This is lion. A lion is the king of forest. The next animal is sheep. This is sheep. The next one is turtle. This is a turtle. A turtle. The next one is deer. This is a deer. The next animal is a rabbit. This is a rabbit. The next one is a horse. This is a horse. A horse. The next animal is giraffe. This is giraffe. The next one is leopard. This is leopard. The next animal is